Kלים Perikov base, Mishnah base. A short Mishnah. There aren't that many Mefarshim on this Mishnah, explain this Mishnah. And I'm going to suggest that this Mishnah, there are different ways of learning this Mishnah. I'm just going to suggest a perish on the Mishnah, which I think fits in with Shittas Rashi in Chulin. The Mishnah is like this. It's a simple Mishnah basically. Hashulchan shenitla achas mi raglov tar. Sorry. A table, those days, the table we're talking about in the Mishnah has got 3 legs. As soon as one leg is broken, a leg is missing, the table is tar. That's unanimous. Because a table with 2 legs is useless, it's called a shivrei kli, therefore it's tar. Simple. Nitlo shniya tar, if the second leg also breaks, leaving it with 1 leg, of course it's going to be tar. Now we have nitlo shlishis. Now the 3rd leg is removed, and what we're left with is just the table top. Says the Tanakama Tame, because the table top is a kli on its own, it can be used as a tray and as a board. Says the Tanakama Tame, however, Kishi Yachshev Olav. Only after you get your tabletop, you then have a kavana and say, I would like this to be a new kli. In other words, you have a yichud, then it becomes Tame B'Toras, a new kli called a tavla, a tabletop. Rabbi Yossi ain't tzarich machshava. No, it goes from its state of being a tahor automatically back to a kli, which is makabel tuma, when the 3rd leg breaks. There is a machlokas Rashi and Tosfos in the Chulin, and based on Shittas Rashi, Rashi holds that if you have kli A, and kli A breaks, and you end up with kli B, Rashi holds you do not need a special yichud, special kavona, to say, I would like this new kli to be kli B. A kli can have an automatic transition from being a kli and then being a kli shavur, be broken and be tahor, and then have a kli, it'll be a kli tame automatically, even without yichud. So it's tahor from the first tumah, but it's able to be makabel tumah automatically without yichud on the new tumah. That's true if the new kli is the same type of kli as the first one. And therefore, according to Rashi, you can learn this machlokas of the Tana of the Tanoim simply as being whether what's left, this tavla, when the 3rd leg breaks, is this the same type of kli as the first one, which is what Rabbi Yossi holds, and therefore, yes, you've had your broken table, but when the 3rd leg breaks, you get back to a different type of table, the board, because the tashmish of a table, of a tavla, is similar to that of a table, and therefore, under Rashi's rules, you would not need a separate yichud to make this new tavla be makabel tumah. Tanakama said it's a new type of kli. It used to be a shulchan, and now it's a tavla. And of course, a new type of kli, according to everybody, according to all shittas, would need a new yichud by the owner to render it a new kli. The Mishnah is on exactly the same rules would apply to the serving table, which is also a 3-legged little table, same sort of thing. It becomes tahor as the legs break, and then when it's completely broken, we'd have the same achloikas as whether you would need yichud to make it be makabel tumah from now on. And that's Mishnah Beit.